Good morning, friends. I am Dr. Gagandeep Sachdeva, Chief Orthopedic Surgeon and Chief Executive Officer of Sohana Hospital, Sector 77, Mohali. As you all must be knowing that Sohana Hospital is a very famous and old hospital of Northern India. It is one of the best hospital in Tri-City. As you must be knowing that this hospital is an old hospital. It's a very old hospital. I would say it has passed its 25 years of its inception. It started in 1995, this hospital, as an eye hospital. And within a couple of years, it became a very famous Sohana Eye Hospital. The reason behind I would say that it became very famous was the vision of the hospital management, and the work the doctors were doing here was spectacular. And even till now, it is one of a unique hospital. In the last 25 years, it has been doing a tremendous growth, and it is always on the rise that this hospital is. And in 1995, as it started as an eye hospital, and after 5 years, management started planning of shifting this hospital into a multi-specialty hospital. And in 2001, we started it as a multi-specialty hospital. Another wing, another building was made, a multi-specialty building. And for 1 decade, we ran this hospital as a eye hospital and a multi-specialty hospital. In 2011, we made another wing, another building of around 1 lakh square feet area of a super specialty hospital. From 2011 till date, another 10 years, we are running this hospital as a super specialty hospital. And now this year, 2021, we have started making another building of a cancer building. It's an onco department, or we would say an onco building. It's a cancer hospital called as the Sohana Cancer Hospital. By the end of this year, this different building will be coming up, and we will having a world-class facility of cancer, which is the need of the hour nowadays in Punjab, rather in upper North India. Because a lot of cancer patients, they go to Delhi or they go to South India for the treatment, because no big cancer hospital is here in upper North for treating cancer patients. So in this cancer hospital, we are coming up with the chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and all those facilities which are required for any cancer patients would be under one roof. And we have already bought a state-of-the-art latest true beam variant machine, which is world #1 machine for radiotherapy, which is the mainstay of the treatment for cancer patients. If I go back to the history, that this hospital, how did it started, as a trust hospital, and how it grew and reached these heights. So it's a very, I would say, a unique history that the trustees of these hospitals who started this hospital as a very small venture, like just an OPD, and from just one room OPD to a 350 bedded hospital, they reached in 25 years, is tremendous. This is not possible without hard work, dedication, and vision from the management. And this management of Sohana Hospital has always supported the doctors, their staff, and they had full faith in them so that they can grow this hospital to a different level. So their support, their help, and their faith on this staff has led to this. You all must see that this hospital is too big now. I would also like to share certain unique things of this hospital. The foremost, I would say that the vision of the hospital, which is like service to the humanity, even though it's a premium hospital and we have the premium treatment available, but the cost of the hospital is very affordable, and every strata of patient comes here to get the treatment. Second is the trust of the patients on the hospital doctors is also very important, and it is the main thing which gives us the kick, gives the doctors a kick to treat patients, because the patients have a lot of trust on our doctors, because our doctors give the best treatment available, and there is no vested interest of the doctors for treating these patients. As per the management instructions, these doctors have been instructed to give the best available treatment.
Sohana Hospital, a multi-super speciality hospital, Sector 77, Mohali.